has your coat so thick? What do you do with all that wool so quick? Sheep are Bobby, my wool grows fast. The farmer clips its hips at last. It's turned to sweaters, scarves, and more. Warm and soft from farm to store. I'm a little hen, cluck, cluck, you say. Do you do something helpful every day? Cluck, cluck, Binny, I lay eggs bright. Yellow and white, a morning delight. I peck at bugs and seeds I find. Working hard with farm friends kind. All animals moo, bah, oink and cluck. Farm lives busy with lots of luck. We help the world with food and fun. Thanks for visiting, everyone. Thank you, friends, for all you do. We've learned so much from me and you. Farms are cool, and now we see how fun and helpful farm life can be.